I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make mushroom sauce with canned mushrooms. First, gather your ingredients. You will need 1 can of sliced or whole mushrooms, drained. Also, have 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and 1 1/2 cups of milk or cream ready. Don't forget salt, pepper, and any other seasonings you enjoy. This simple method ensures a delicious sauce every time. Now, let's start building that delicious flavor. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, add your drained canned mushrooms. Sauté them gently for about 3 minutes, allowing some of their moisture to evaporate and their flavor to deepen. Next, sprinkle in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, whisking constantly for 1 minute to form a smooth roux. This is crucial for thickening your sauce. With your roux ready, it's time to add the liquid. Slowly pour in 1 1/2 cups of milk or cream, whisking continuously to prevent lumps. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium-low heat, stirring frequently. Continue to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until the sauce reaches your desired thickness. It should be smooth and creamy, coating the back of a spoon beautifully. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Your easy mushroom sauce is now complete. Give it a final taste and adjust any seasonings like salt, pepper, or herbs to your preference. This versatile sauce is perfect over pasta, chicken, steak, or even mashed potatoes. It's a fantastic way to elevate any meal with minimal effort. Remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.